Good morning, grade ones. Today is Thursday, and we are going to continue where we left off yesterday. So yesterday we started to take some shapes and we broke them in half, two equal parts. And that's what a half is, one piece of an equal part of a whole that's broken into two, okay? Now you should still have a circle and a square left, and we're gonna do something else with it today. So today I want you to get your circle, and I want you to think of this circle as a pizza, okay? And now instead of sharing it with two people today, I want to share my piece of pizza with 4 people. So today I want to break our shapes into 4 equal pieces. And that is called a quarter. Can you say a quarter? Just like the money, a quarter. Okay, so we're going to take our circle. You're going to fold it over in half like we did yesterday. But then we're going to fold this in half again. So take the top, bring it down to the bottom, and fold it so that we have, look at this, a piece of pizza. Now let's open it up and let's cut. So you'll need your scissors. Again, press pause if you need to get everything. You're going to cut along the creases. So as I cut along my creases here, I now end up with, I'm going to run out of hands. Here, I'll hold it like this. There is my pizza cut into 4 equal pieces. And as you can see, they're all the same size, and each one is called a quarter. So when something is broken into 4 equal pieces, it's called, each part is called a quarter. Here's a quarter of my pizza. Here's a quarter of my pizza. Here's a quarter of my pizza. And here's a quarter of my pizza. So it takes 4 quarters to make the whole pizza. I broke it into 4 equal pieces. I can do the same thing with my square. So I'm going to fold my square over just like we did yesterday. Make a crease down the side. Again, I'm going to fold from the top down. Okay. And make a crease, and when I open it up, look it, mine will have 4 pieces. Now again, you could do it the other way, down and over, or you could do like we did with the triangle. You can fold it over to make your triangle, and then fold it in half again, so it's a little bit smaller triangle. And that'll give you 4 quarters, okay? So you choose which one you're gonna do. So if you wanna do this one with me, you can fold it down is half, and then if I fold it again over, I'll get my little squares, and that's a quarter. And I'm going to open it up and I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut on the creases, and you will see that I have 4 quarters. Let me get it lined up here. Okay, so if I put the 4 quarters together, it makes my square. Sorry, my hand's hard to hold it. But they're broken into 4 equal pieces. And as you can see, they're all little squares. So each one is a quarter. Can you say that with me? A quarter. So yesterday, when we divided it into 2 pieces, it's called a half. Today, when I break it into 4 pieces, it's called a quarter. And that is what you're going to do in your workbook. Remember how yesterday we just did the first page of 42. Today, you're going to finish exercise 42, but you're going to color in a quarter, 1 quarter of each of the shapes. And there is the dotted lines to help you think of the object if we were to fold it up and cut it, just like we did with our shapes, okay? That you're going to color a quarter. So say those 2 words again with me. Half and quarter. Half is when we break it into 2 pieces. A quarter is when we break it into 4 pieces, okay? So have fun coloring your quarters, and we will see you tomorrow.